Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to create a logo slider in Wix Showcase partners or clients. If you've ever aspired to display client logos, partner brands, or even your own portfolio in a sleek and professional manner on your Wix website, then this tutorial is precisely what you need. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create a smooth, eye-catching logo slider that will automatically showcase your selected logos. This feature is ideal for enhancing your site's credibility and visual appeal, particularly if you wish to highlight your noteworthy associations without overwhelming the page with too much content. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, ensure that you are on your Wix website's design dashboard. This is your primary workspace where you have control over every aspect of your site. If you're new to Wix, don't worry. The platform is quite user-friendly, with a visual and intuitive interface. Just double-check that you're in the editor and not on the live site. This way, you can make changes freely without immediately affecting the live version of your site. Now, let's create a new section where our logo slider will reside. Look for the option to add a section, usually located near the left sidebar. Clicking on this button will allow a new section to seamlessly integrate into your page wherever you choose. You can then drag this section up or down to position it where the logos will have the most significant impact. Adding a dedicated section helps ensure that your slider doesn't interfere with other content and provides ample space for everything to stand out. With your new section in place, it's time to find the right elements to build your slider. Click on Add Elements or simply Elements. How this appears can vary depending on your site's current template. Here, you'll encounter a variety of features you can incorporate into your site, such as text, images, buttons, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the gallery options. Go ahead and click on Gallery. Galleries in Wix are specifically designed to showcase visual content in an organized and appealing layout. Next, scroll through the various gallery types until you spot this slider gallery. This is the highlight of our tutorial. It allows you to display multiple images in a sliding carousel, making it perfect for those neat rows of logos you've probably noticed on professional websites. Click on the slider gallery to add it to your new section. You'll initially see some default images appear. Don't worry, these are just placeholders that we will replace shortly. Now, direct your attention to the slider spheres. These are the small navigation dots or buttons that appear below your slider. Click on them, and then select Change Images. At this juncture, let's clear out all the default images so your slider begins with a fresh slate. It might feel a bit odd to delete everything, but you want to ensure that only your logos are displayed without any distractions. Once the slider is empty, click on Add Images. This action will bring up the Wix Media Manager, which functions like your personal cloud storage for all graphics, photos, and icons you've uploaded, where you can access images from Wix's media library. For logos, type Logo into the search bar and hit Enter. If you've previously added your logos to Wix, they'll appear immediately. If not, now's the time to upload them. Select the logos you want by clicking on them. Consider your choices carefully. They could be client badges, partner logos, awards, or even your own branding. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Done to confirm your choices. And now for the satisfying moment. Click Preview at the top right to see your brand new logo slider live in action. Your logos should glide smoothly from side to side, adding a polished, professional touch to your site. Occasionally, you might need to make a few adjustments, like resizing a logo or tweaking the spacing, but this can easily be done with a little experimentation in the editor. There you go. Your Wix site now boasts a stunning logo slider to impress visitors and highlight your connections. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and clear tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to create a logo slider in Wix Showcase partners or clients, subscribe to our channel PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.